So as we get started, there's a few things that you need to remember. The first one is the temperature of the yogurt. If you put the base in too quickly when it's too hot, you're not going to get anything because you're going to kill all the bacteria that's in the yogurt that needs to generate more yogurt. So the first thing that you have to keep in mind is do not bring up the temperature above 185. So as you put it on, bring it to 185. Once it reaches that temperature, which you will see over time, you're going to recognize the signs as to when it's there or close to getting there. Take the temperature, no more than 175 to 185. Turn it off, let it cool down. The base has to be put in the cooled yogurt when it reaches anywhere between 105 to 118 degrees. You will whisk it in or stir it in, anything that will dissolve the yogurt. Once the yogurt is dissolved, you put a cap on you put a lid on the pot, and then you put it in a non-draft area to keep overnight. In the morning, you should wake up and you should have formed yogurt, but that yogurt isn't ready yet because you still have to strain it. And this is what you're going to need: a towel that's not too thick but not too thin so the whey runs out of it. You're going to need a colander that has enough holes for the yogurt to strain, and you need a basin, which in this case I have a bowl, to make sure that the whey, when it strains out of here, that it's not going all over my counter. And I put a ramekin in because if I put this in all the way down, it goes all the way down and it will be sitting in its own juices. So this is my preparation. I'll be back when we're ready to put everything on the stove.